Welcome! Today, we're going to take a easy, straightforward look at AI, or artificial intelligence. You've probably heard about it everywhere, but a lot of people still aren't completely sure what it actually is. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down what AI means, how it works, what it's good at, what it struggles with, and a few fun things you might not know about. So, starting with the basics, AI is basically when computers are designed to do tasks that usually need human intelligence. Things like recognizing someone's voice, understanding language, figuring out patterns, or making decisions. It's also important to remember that AI doesn't think or feel the way people do. It isn't having ideas or opinions, it's just working with the patterns that it's learned from data. Now, how does AI learn those patterns? A lot of modern AI uses something called machine learning, and it's pretty much exactly what it sounds like. The system learns by being shown a lot of examples over time. It studies the data, finds patterns, and then uses those patterns to make predictions or decisions. And over time, as it sees more examples, it gets better at it. There are also neural networks, which are a kind of more advanced version of this, and they're loosely inspired by how the human brain connects information, and they help AI do things like recognizing images, translating languages, or generating text. But still, it's all math and data, no real understanding going on. AI comes with some really clear benefits. For one, it's incredibly fast. It can go through huge amount of information way faster than any human could. It's also really good at picking up these tiny details in data that most people might miss. AI is also great for automating boring or repetitive tasks that could take a really long time, which means more people can focus on more complicated or creative work. And you interact with AI every day without even thinking about it, whether you're getting a music recommendation, using any navigation apps, or having your photos organized automatically on your phone. AI is also making big contributions in areas like medical technology and scientific research. But AI isn't perfect, and we should not acknowledge its challenges. One of the biggest issues is bias. If the data an AI learns from has bias in it, the AI will show that bias in its decisions. AI can also make mistakes, and sometimes it sounds really confident about its answer, even when it's completely wrong. There's also the concern about jobs changing because of automation. Another issue is privacy. Many AI systems need a lot of data, and that raises a lot of flags about how the data is collected and used. And finally, people sometimes trust AI too much and don't check what it asks for. AI also has very real limitations, and even though it can do impressive things, it really doesn't understand meaning the way humans do. It doesn't have common sense or feelings or awareness. It can't think creatively by itself, and it just combines patterns from its training. It needs a lot of high-quality data to do anything useful, and you shouldn't be using it for this kind of stuff anyways. At the end of the day, AI can help people, but it can't replace human judgment, empathy, or decision-making. So, before we wrap up, here are some few fun facts. The idea of AI actually goes back all the way to the 1950s, so it's not as new as it might seem. AI is now strong enough to beat world champions in games like chess and Go. You interact with AI pretty much constantly in search engines, maps, social media filters, and recommendation systems. Yet early AI systems were so simple that many could barely solve basic math problems, which really shows how far technology has come. So, that's a quick but complete introduction to artificial intelligence. It's powerful, it's useful, and is becoming a big part of everyday life. Understanding how it works is one of the best things you can do right now. Hopefully, this gave you a clear, concise, and easy starting point. Until next time.